Okay, the Little Nebraska Loop is what I'm calling it, even though I got pretty far out there and got quite a few. I got 28 counties on this last ride. So I got Lancaster, Seward, Saline, Jefferson, Thayer, Clay, Adams, Sherman, Howard, Nance, Boone, Greeley, Valley, Garfield, Wheeler, Loup, Thomas, Logan, McPherson, Hooker, Grant, Arthur, Brown, and then when I came back home, I went through Gerald, Beetle, Clark, Day, and Spink County, South Dakota. So I'm going to go ahead and fill those in. So something I just realized, I am 100% sure I went through Brown County, South Dakota, even though I didn't have that planned into my route. There we go.
One little cloud.
No.
That's what the map showed. It couldn't be more than 2 square miles.
It was about 10 square miles. Plus there's this one here. Plus the wind's been about 70 miles an hour from about Round Lake all the way here. Well, yesterday I ended up riding 250 miles, which is 10 more than normal. Riding around some real bad rain north of my parents' place here in Iowa, and one funnel cloud. Sirens are going off in one of these little towns, but it was headed north and I was already on the south side of it. But today I've got 511 miles and I'm going to try and average 46 miles an hour for 11 hours. End up in Arnold, Nebraska. So I think it's just a bunch of grabbing counties today, and I think I've got 2 Grand Tour stops. I originally wasn't going to stop here. I was just going to loop through the parking lot, but that's an SR-71 Blackbird above me, so I came inside. And they had my other favorite plane, the U-2 spy plane. This is the first time I've seen a B-17 Super Fortress in real life. I had no idea how gigantic they are.
right, 544 miles today because I went extra, and I'm at my hotel in Arnold. Okay, so not a bad day, tougher than I thought it'd be. Nice room. There's not very many places to stay out here, but it's a really nice place, the Winsome Inn in Arnold. And wow, that helmet does weird stuff to my head. Anyway, I'm gonna let the room cool down, head over across the street to Grazer's Bar and Grill and see how that is, because I'm not eating Pringles for supper.